We've got an incredible 72 Plymouth Duster. Fit and finish is outstanding. It's got a 420 horsepower 340 motor. Hey, I'm Jay Grams. We're here at the Volo Auto Museum. This car is for sale. Go to volocars.com. You'll get the pricing and all the specs on this car, and you'll find a few hundred other collector cars all for sale as well. You'll also find financing, shipping, and plenty of ways to contact us. Whatever your questions or concerns are, let us know. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel because we're cranking out the videos, and that's the best way to see them first. Let's take this Duster for a spin. When I say excellent fit and finish, I mean outstanding. I mean the body is laser straight. It's a glass finish from here to the top. The gaps are pristine. Shuts beautifully. All of the chrome, all of the moldings, the glass, everything is outstanding. The car was restored in 2016. They did a great job. The stance, the stripes, the colors, the spoiler, everything about it. This is just one tough looking car. This is all beautiful chromes. Got the Duster 340 decal. The gaps are like a new Mercedes. Trunk compartment's all clean metal, has a new mat, has a jack assembly. Under the mat has the board with the tires underneath there. Looks like the original metal. The bottom of the trunk lid is gloss red. New pop-up gas cap there. Nice shiny wheels. It's got a 410 Sure Grip rear end in it. The brakes are all new. They're disc in front. The interior, the chrome just sparkles inside. It's got the blackout hood treatment with the scoop and the 340 wedge decal. It's got a really nice running 340, which I'll start up here in a minute. Edelbrock aluminum heads, aluminum intake, Edelbrock carb with electric choke. All the components look new. Looks like they're Hedman headers. It's got power steering, aluminum radiator. Very clean and tidy. There's only a few thousand miles on this car since it's been done. When I say the interior sparkles, that chrome on the console, the steering wheel spokes, the dash bezel trim, it's all beautiful. Really nice. Gentleman we got this car from, I've sold him cars. I'm telling you, he is fussy when it comes to fit and finish. I've seen him walk away from beautiful car because he found a bubble like the size of your pinky nail. He'll walk away from a car because of that. So that's who owns this car now. He is fussy. So I'm telling you, if you're fussy, this is a car worth considering. The cushions feel good. And like I said, the chrome bezels, the lenses, the radio, the whole dash area is pristine. Love this steering wheel, the cushion grip with the chrome spokes. You're on snappy, goose it, there's no hesitation. Headliner, mirror, visors are mint, dome light works. It's got some gauges mounted neatly under the dash. Listen to that idle. So if you really want a turnkey show and go car, this is it right here. The minute this car gets delivered to your house, you're ready to go to a car show that night. Or go get some ice cream or go show up to your friends, but it needs nothing. And that's beautiful. That's just giving it a little gas. Outstanding car, beautiful. I love it when a door shuts like that. That is nice. I think I got it all the way there. There we go. So anyway, go to volocars.com. You can check out all the specs, pictures top to bottom. Any questions, let us know. Plenty of ways to contact us, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and you'll keep seeing these fantastic cars. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.